Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming versions, iOS 16, 0 or newer and the latest Pubg mobile. This ensures compatibility. Next, power the Xbox controller and press the pair button until the LED blinks rapidly. That blinking means discovery mode. On your iPhone, open Settings, go to Bluetooth, then tap the controller name under Other Devices to pair. Do this now. Pairing is the gateway that lets the phone recognize controller inputs, and once paired, launch Pubg Mobile and head straight to Settings, then Controller Options. This is where you enable controller support so the game accepts inputs. Choose the default layout to start, or customize dead zones and button mapping if you prefer precise aim and comfortable reach. Make sure to test analog stick sensitivity and trigger assignment in the practice range. Testing confirms how in-game aim, recoil, and movement respond to your adjustments, and prevents surprises during real matches. Finally, save your controller profile and play a short solo match to cement muscle memory. If you encounter lag, mismapped buttons, or disconnects, first restart the game. Once done, forget the controller in Bluetooth and repair to reset the link. If the problem persists, check battery level. Low power causes latency, so charge the controller or replace AA cells. These steps finish setup and give a clear first troubleshooting move to get you back into smooth, responsive gameplay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.